iOS 18.5 has just been released. So what's new? Now there's a couple of things that's new. Let's just go over it one at a time. So first off, that's new is that there's new Apple Care features, right? If you go to Apple Care here, and then you can go to your warranty here. Let's just wait for this to load. If you go to your warranty here, now you can see it'll link it straight to the Apple Support app. Pretty good, right? So more information and a direct link to the Apple Support app. After that, there's new wallpapers as well. So if you go back to settings and then go to settings again, and then we can go to wallpaper here, and then we can go to add new wallpaper. You can see there'll be a couple of new wallpapers here. You can see there's a couple of new wallpapers. Pretty good, right? The next one, there's also a couple of mail app contact photos thing. So when you go to mail app here, right? So if you go to the library and I go to mail app, you can see if I go to the third option here on the three bar here and then I tap on this, you can see we can now disable show contact photos. So when I tap on this, it'll disable the show contact photos. So it'll be much more clean on the mail app. After that, pretty good news for iPhone 13 as well. It is now able to have satellite calling. So I have a 14 model here. So now if I have a supported carrier, I'll be able to use satellite calling. There's a lot of other small knickknacks update as well that's been pretty good. For example, there's screen time notifications. So now parents now receive notification when a managed device uses the screen time passcode. There's also screen time management. So new section for easier management of screen time settings, including weekly reports and customer notifications. So I'll show you what that looks like. So if you go to settings here, if you go to settings and then let's just go back here, let's go to settings and then we go ahead and go to screen time. You can see now there's more actual things here, right? So there's new section for easier management of screen time settings, and there's includes weekly reports and also customized notification. So all of these are also new as well. Pretty good for iOS 18.5. So what about the upcoming updates? Right now, iOS 18.6 is currently in testing and expected to be releasing soon, maybe in the coming months or so.